Hello, good afternoon friends. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the microwave with some natural and some ingredients like the white vinegar and some water. So let's get started. Let me show you. You can see some spots of some grease and it's a little bit dirty. So we'll show you, and the plate also. We'll show you that how clean it's gonna look after this. Take a glass bowl, fill it with water, around 1 glass, and then I'm using distilled actually it's a great value distilled white vinegar, which I got from Walmart. It's under $2. Let me show you with the teaspoon that if you're using actually a tablespoon. So let's use 1, 2, roughly 3.5 tablespoons. Some got spilled. And place it in a plate and let's put it in the microwave. Set it up for a minute. Now let's put another minute, add another minute. Let it really get a little warm or hot in 2 minutes, and then soak in all the moisture and grease. And then we'll see the result in a few minutes. Here we go. Look how it has soaked some of this, and I think I'll give it a little more, like 20 more minutes. Let's see. Actually 20 more seconds. Let's open it up. Be really careful, it's a little hot. That's why we place the plate underneath. And now I'm gonna clean it up. Oh wow, super easy to clean. You even don't have to take out the plate. You can see this. I don't know if it's visible, all the yellow stain, the grease and everything. Usually my microwave is super clean, but whenever I have to do a detailed cleaning, I use this natural cleaning hack with the white vinegar and plain tap water. Grabbing some more fresh soaked napkins. Just clean the outside and the door. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you for watching.